Hello everyone. Good afternoon. I'm your host and coach friend Anay-Anav. Today I have a very interesting topic. It is nature. What is nature? Somebody tell me what is nature? Oh, so many answers, so many calls. Okay. Now let me tell you what is nature. Nature is what we see and feel all around us. Nature is like our mother. Nature never harms unless we do anything wrong. Nature is very attractive, full of my favorite green color. I'm happy to be attracted with nature and also happy to be a part of this earth. You should be. Last, I have a very important thing about nature. It provides us air to breathe, water to drink, soil to make a home, land to stay, and also vegetables and fruits and grains to eat, and so many things like sun, moon, earth, trees, animals, so many things. Last not least, God, nature is very precious, given by God. Oh, it's time to leave, guys. Bye-bye. And don't forget, don't harm nature because we will not survive without it. Bye-bye. Bye.